God bless to Bishop Blake and to all of you who have come on this evening to share in this historical worship service. Bishop Blake, we want to thank you for accepting this invitation to come to the New Garden State jurisdiction of the state of New Jersey, to this region of our country. Bishop Blake, we want to thank you also for your dreams and for your vision that God has given to you to share with the Church of God in Christ. Urban initiatives and Save Africa's Children, those initiatives that God has placed in your spirit to share with the people of God everywhere. On this evening, I would like to share with you some of the finest pastors anywhere of some of the initiatives that they are doing in the communities where they are serving. So God bless all of you. I trust that you enjoy this, and I pray that it will inspire all of us to take our ministries to another level.
I got involved in City Impact because Bishop Cahoon had a vision to bring about change in the city, to show that House of Prayer is here and that we do care, and that it was during a time of great violence in the city. There had been a lot of murders, and we decided to use the park down the street where actually sits in the middle of where some of the violence was taking place. We went into the park, we prayed, we anointed the park with oil. City Impact was a day of health fair, free food, free clothing, sports activities for the children, collaborations with a lot of corporations, small businesses in the community, as well as larger corporations. The mayor came, we had a gospel concert, we had police enforcement there. There was not anything bad did not take place that day. Everything went well. From that, we had a 2-week revival, which brought souls into the church, and we did this a couple of years, and then from that, we went into our Family Life Conference. We know that we serviced over 1,000 people, and that souls were saved and lives were changed, and we want to take this time to thank Bishop Cahoon for his vision and Bishop Blake for his Urban Initiative project.
As a new pastor, and we are a newlywed couple, we feel it's important that not only our church at Refuge Temple, but all churches start within the community where we are, providing programs and opportunities to serve the people that live in the communities where we are.
You know, it's easy to say, let someone else do it, but actually the responsibility falls on us. New Garden State Urban Initiative is exactly what we're doing at Smith Memorial, where Dr. Evans is pastor. He had a vision that unfolded to help his church and the surrounding areas. The program is called Operation Lockout. Let's take a look and see exactly what's going on at Smith Memorial.
Jacqueline Spencer Memorial Counseling Center was founded in 2002. I had a vision in reference to Operation Lockout. I was riding up and down the street. I saw many pregnant young ladies, teenagers, and I gleaned the concept of starting a program at the counseling center called Operation Lockout, which means to lock out negative factors. Since then, we have grown. We have been funded by various foundations. We were very successful. We had some people that are college graduates as well. And the director of Operation Lockout is Deacon Obie Williams.
Operation Lockout Initiative Program has 3 classes. They have the elementary class, the junior class, and the senior class. The curriculum focuses around 3 areas. That's communication, exploration, and education. We have the tutorial program, which addresses every age in our center here. The children are allowed to bring in their homework. The staff would actually take the homework and review the homework and make corrections if needed. They will give the homework back to the child, and the child will have to take it home and do the corrections as needed.
I think one of the greatest benefits is to let them know that someone cares about them Also that, most of the people here are good role models, for them to look at things and say, okay, I can grow up to be something. It's not just the surrounding area. No matter where you come from, you have a chance to make it if you stay in school. Because we really enhance the idea of staying in school and learning as much as you can.
Good evening. According to the National Law Center on Homelessness and Poverty, there are over 3.5 million people in this country that are homeless. And of that number, 1.3 million are children. There are over 12,000 homeless people in New Jersey. Right now we're in Union County. Union County has the third highest number of homeless in the state. So join us as we really look at what's called Operation Warm Heart.
The Elizabeth Coalition to House the Homeless started Operation Warm Heart, which is a winter shelter program back in 2002 to address the great need of the homeless population within the city of Elizabeth and Union County. There's two components to Operation Warm Heart. There's the hospitality, which the churches provide, and in addition, they receive case management services from us. And the ultimate goal is to enable people to empower themselves and gain self-sufficiency. I got in touch with Pastor Anthony Gilliard of Bethlehem Judah Christian Fellowship, and that's how we connected.
Understanding really the heart of Christ, that when you have done it unto the least one, then you've done it unto me. My passion really was that after the Lord blessed us with this miracle here at 83 Galloping Hill Road, it was what can we do to give back to the community. And so on a weekly basis, we provide food, we provide breakfast in the morning. We've also connected with Panera Bread. And so it's just all about building teamwork. So this is how we do Urban Initiative, and just touching the people's lives and their hearts and causing individuals to become healthy. And when we cause an individual to become healthy, they in turn make their family healthy. They make their community healthy. They make their society healthy.
His sufficiency is greater than our capacity. So the people shouted when the priest blew with the trumpets. And it came to pass, when the people heard the sound of the trumpet, and the people shouted with a great shout, that the wall fell down flat, so that the people went up into the city, every man straight before him, and they took the city.